You can see the after, that's amazing, and the HD quality. So just download the image. Hi everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video I will show you how you can upscale your thumbnail. That's mean this is my YouTube thumbnail that I selected, like auto generated thumbnail, as you know that. So YouTube have given you the options like you can select one thumbnail from these three auto generated thumbnail. It's a by default, so thanks YouTube. Okay, but the problem is that if you select as a thumbnail, the quality of thumbnail isn't good because it's from your video, it's not your design thumbnail. Okay, so let's say if you want to use a scene from this thumbnail. Okay, let's say if you want to download this thumbnail that's we already selected, and if you want to upscale this, and definitely you have to upscale this image. So first of all you have to download the image. So let's see, download the image, right click on the image and you will see save image as. Okay, so first of all just save image as on your desktop or computer, laptop, and then I'm going to show you how you can upscale, and then finally how you can use as a thumbnail. So that would be pretty amazing, because if you use this by default auto generated thumbnail, the quality of thumbnail isn't good. Okay, so our thumbnail already downloaded. Okay, so I'm going to use a tools, it's called flexclip.com. Okay, flexclip.com/tools, and you will see the image upscaler. So we have to find the image upscaler. Okay, so let's find the image. Yes, this one. So click on AI image upscaler and you can sign in with your Gmail account. Okay, so I am already signed in. Okay, so AI image upscaler easy increase the resolution of your images with no quality loss. That's fantastic. So this is the image, guys. How you can see, this is the example of this image. This is, so you can try, that's mean if you don't have any images you can try and you can see the result. But we have already images, okay, that we downloaded from our YouTube thumbnail that auto generated, and right now I want to upscale that image, and then I will open again in Canva and I will redesign the events. Okay, so let's see. So it's a tricks like as a beginner YouTuber, so sometimes we had to do this kind of work because we don't have a graphic designer. Okay, so that's why. Okay, so you can see this one, perfect. All right, so our image already uploaded, and upscale size 2x, 3x and 4x. So make sure it's 4x. Okay, an upscale image for stunning visuals. So also you can use your product images, also you can use your photography, different images, videos. Okay, so these are the product images. That's amazing. Okay, so our settings already done. Definitely you have to click on 4x. So it's time to upscale our image, so click on generate. All right, so it's generating right now. Okay, creations, it will appear here and you can check your history. That's been okay, done. So I think our image already done. So let's see the previous one. So this one our downloaded one, that's when our before. Okay, and let's check the after. Yes, look at the changes. That's amazing, that's amazing. Okay, so I think these pictures and the face is blue type, but right now you can see the after. That's amazing, and the HD quality. So just download the image. Okay, so you can use as a thumbnail right now, but I'm just not uploading as it is. I will open a Canva and I will upload in Canva and I will redesign it again. Okay, so let's do this again. Thumbnail. So before downloading, if you want to colorize this again, so click on edit. Also you can polish this thumbnail color contrast. Okay, so let's click on edit. So which one is perfect? I don't know, so maybe rustic is perfect. Okay, so let's select this one and let's download the image. Okay, all right, so let's reselect again, and in this time we're just going to upload from our desktop. So click on three dot options and click on upload file. So I think this time the thumbnail would be more clickable. That's mean the click-through rate would be higher. Okay, so because it's now more polished, clean, and eye-catchy, and let's select the thumbnail again. Okay, the thumbnail has been changed. Okay, so I think this thumbnail will perform really well. Okay, so if you find this video is helpful, just comment below, and if you love to watch this kind of videos, so don't forget to subscribe. So have a good day, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.